Alright, we're going to do a 20 amp water heater switch, changing to a smart switch. Here's the video. We will be turning off this L2H2 to ensure there's no power. So here is the L2H2, so we're turning off this, so to check on that whether there's any more power on the 20 amp. So we are back here. There's no more power after we shut it off, so we are safe forward. Let's start with the removal of the cover. Alright, again. And you remove the screw. Alright, off. So you'll be having a lot of wiring behind. You most likely be confused with all this wiring. Alright, so let's do a very simple introduction about wire is what. So we have earth. The green color is the earth wire. The brown color is actually the live wire, and the blue color wire is the neutral wiring. Right, let's start with this. Properly install the earth cable to ensure proper grounding to the water heater. This is line and the load. Line will be the incoming and load is going to the heater. Okay. So the line will be L in, and so will be a L1, and N1 will be the line in, and of course the L2 and N2 will be the line out and the neutral out. So from the smart switch you will see this. So it will be a L in, L out, N in and out. Please remember not to connect it wrongly. Now we start to connect the switch. We first remove the connection from the old switch. Connect the incoming live to L in. Next, we will connect the incoming neutral to N in. Make sure the wire is tight and secure. Keep it tight. Next, we remove the outgoing live and neutral cable from the old mechanical switch. Connect the L2 to line out and connect the N2 to N out. With this, you have completed all the wiring connection to the smart water heater switch. That's most of the normal will have all this, let's say this is like a ear, the upper and the lower portion. We need to actually flatten them and knock them in to ensure that we have sufficient space for the installation of the smart switch. With a proper tools, we are able to easily hammer the bottom and the upper ear into the location. Now you see it's flattened. Right, just to check that the shape can fit in. Next, finally, cover up. Okay, now turn on the power. Okay, I'll be turning it back on the power, L2H2. Alright, power on. And once the power on, you will see the light. Then after that, the light will turn off. Okay, so the water heater switch installation is completed. Thanks.